we will continue. We'll continue on this Playwright course. Okay. So as we discussed about key features, हम discuss किए about key features के बारे में कि Playwright has some powerful features. क्या है? First, cross browser support. You can run test on Chrome, Firefox and Safari. ठीक है. So cross browser testing इसमें support करता है Chrome, Firefox and Safari. Second क्या है? Auto wait. So it automatically waits for elements, so we don't need to write extra wait code. If you remember, we used to write in Playwright in Selenium, like explicit wait or implicit wait, right? So no requirement here. So these things will be handled automatically by the Playwright only. तो Playwright में auto wait mechanism है और cross browser support है. These two things which is key features. Third, fast execution. It is much faster compared to Selenium. So ये faster है if we compare with the Selenium. Okay. So we will see the examples. In real projects, we use Playwright to test login functionality. Suppose if you want to log into the e-commerce website. Suppose if you want to automate suppose this is Amazon, right? And if you want to automate this login thing, where is that? Okay, I think it's already login, so click on sign out. So in order to log in, if you want to log into the application of Amazon, so these things, payment flow. So when you go and make payment of the Amazon, if you added any things in cart and want to make it a payment, okay. So suppose you went and suppose there is a cart. So here proceed to buy, I'll do it. So back to cart. Suppose these things, these are the added items, right? If these added items, if you want to actually my wife added this, sorry for this. What I'm trying to make you understand is like payment flows. If you added into checkout and you want to do the payment user journeys, okay, so we can do the Playwright automation with this. So in we will see next video what is that about. So in this video we will install Playwright and set up our project. So इस वीडियो में हम हमारा एपिसोड 3 है, इसमें इंस्टॉलेशन और Playwright देखेंगे, ठीक है. So first we need Node.js because Playwright runs on it. Node.js, go to Node.js website, download and latest version and install it. So आपको कहाँ जाना है? You have to go to the हमारे सिस्टम में ऑलरेडी है, ओके. Node.js download. So you have to go here and take latest version. Okay, Windows. So you can install the latest version. This is the version 24. So try to install this latest version of it here. Okay, Windows installer. And once you install, if you want to check the version of it, we can run. So already I have, मेरे system में है already. So npm 11.5.2 वर्जन आ गया ना, लेटेस्ट नहीं है, थोड़ा पुराना है. I'll do it. If you see a version, that means Node.js is installed successfully. मतलब मेरे सिस्टम में Node.js है, इसमें है, मेरे पास है।